Hey, hope you're doing well today. I am set and ready to go. I now have my official, but I got my Michigan fishing guide. I'm ready to go. I just left, but it's Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm right here in Canton, Michigan, just outside of Detroit. I'm running around for work, doing some work stuff. Thought I'd jump in here real quick and grab a fishing license. Scott with Bait to Bend, coming up with some fishing. Sweet place, it's called Sandy's Marine. They got a nice little bait shop. She was awesome. Headed out to go see what I can catch. We're headed out to this little berm. She said a lot of guys come out here and fish into this little corner. I was at Sandy's Marine, which is here in just southwest of Detroit. This is a dam. So it's a dam that's sitting behind me. But there's a couple other cars here, so I'm guessing there's some other folks fishing around. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna park it right over here. Maybe throw my rod, throw my line back over into this corner right behind me and see what I can catch. Hopefully without falling on the rocks. One of the things I was trying to discuss here was the fact that getting a rod holder for the road, it's difficult getting objects through security, but if it were a plastic rod holder it might work, being able to hold my rod up while I'm on the banks and I'm traveling for work. The audio in this area was not very good, so sorry about that. There's the path to the dam. Took this morning. Got up about 6 o'clock this morning. Then left with no luck. However, it's about 5:30, quarter till 6 in the evening now. I just got done with work. And now I'm on my way back to see if I can have some luck with this dam. I'm in Belleville, Michigan. Guy I was talking to this morning said they have pretty good luck around this thing. Oh yeah, like my new hat? I figure when in Rome, follow Harbaugh, right? Crazy guy. I've always liked Michigan. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'll get set up, be right back. Hey, how's it going? It is right around 6:30 and I'm in a new spot than I was this morning. Got the dam behind me this time. I got a prime spot. Lady behind me, right there, caught a good 5 or 6 pound walleye earlier with a couple little bluegills, so I got mine out there. On the bank here, ready to go. So stay tuned. That's because of you. It's all those fishing tips.
Oh, they have a smaller one.
I got an 8-year-old that plays with them.
And they start look, and I got 2 fish tanks at home.
That's awesome.
And little kids are 15 and 13.
That is funny.
That I got. Open the cooler age. I got some small. I have some,
Open the cooler. So you got the walleye on this side,
walleye here,
and the catfish here.
catfish here.
What'd you catch them on?
Call them with worms. Get that fish right there for me while you grab that pole for me.
See, this is how it is. This is how it's been all day. She just catches them one right after another.
Yeah. Caught both of these. I'm gonna put these down and get my other fish right quick. I know you're on the line too,
Yep.
because I see it's still snapping.
Yep.
Hold it cool up and put these back so I can get the fish. Hurry, drop the chair.
And what's your name?
My name is Myrna.
All right, Myrna.
It
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Let me get this fish in. I think I got one on here now.
Guys, Myrna's no joke.
Got another. This is a white perch.
Non-stop.
White perch.
That's catfish bait.
It's a white perch. Right here. These are the night crawlers that I catch the fish with. And I guess there's something on it.
Hey, it's Scott with Bait to Bend, and the sun is going down here on Lake Belleville in Belleville, Michigan. It is a beautiful sunset tonight, and it is about 8:30. And it's time to call it quits. Caught a few bluegill and some perch. And other than that, we are heading out back to St. Louis tomorrow. This is Scott with Bait to Bend. If you're not fishing, you're watching fishing. Thanks a lot for watching. And don't forget to click that subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and share the video. Don't forget to check out some of those other videos too. They're around here somewhere. You guys take care.